Chef Rajan, what are you making today?
Enchiladas.
Really? What is going into our enchiladas?
Mushrooms, onions, squash, and zucchini.
That sounds really healthy.
Yep, it does. I'm cutting the zucchini. Those big pieces. I'm cutting them. Now I cut them in half. Cut them in half. And I'll cut the other one in half. Like this. And then I cut these in half. Next, I'm going to be putting a little bit of oil in the pan. Then I'm going to be putting some cumin in here and then I'm going to put my vegetables in there and let it heat.
Chef Rajan, what do you have there?
Cumin. Next, we're going to sweat the onions with chili pepper and turmeric. Then we're going to add the vegetables. Next, I'm going to add the zucchini and squash. And after that cooks, I'm going to add the mushrooms. I'm going to stir the vegetables. Then I'm going to let them get tender. And then we'll add the mushrooms. As you can see, we're adding salt so we can let those mushrooms release some moisture. The last thing we'll be adding is our black beans. We're going to let that cook for a little bit, then we'll be ready to fill in our enchiladas. We're ready to fill our enchiladas. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a little bit of enchilada sauce in our pan. Now I've added my filling. Now I'm going to roll it up, then put it in the pan. I'm going to keep filling, rolling, and putting it in the pan. And this is a great dish. Mom really loves it, and Maya likes it. Now that we filled our enchiladas, I'm going to cover it with enchilada sauce. Enchiladas are almost ready. The last thing we're going to be doing is sprinkling them with a little bit of cheese, and then we're ready to put them in the oven for 25 minutes. I'm getting hungry just looking at it. Are you guys hungry?